Well, good morning. From this absolute paradise. I love it here. It's the Clare Glens. Not far from where I live, being honest, but I've never recorded it. My plan today, I was going to go to Lake Muskerry and O'Loughlin's Castle, but the weather was way too bad. It's way too windy today to go up to Galtee, so I can't give out about this alternative. Wow. This place is beautiful. It's the Clare River, and it's a natural divide between Tipperary and Limerick. So yeah, I'm looking forward to showing you this today. It's I've gone here a lot with the kids and the family, but I've never recorded here or come here and took my time and just look at stuff, you know, and that's what I'm really looking forward to doing. Okay, let's go. Let's see how many waterfalls we can find. Are you happy? Yeah. Good girl. Come on. It's an incredible place. Very, very slippery though. And unfortunately I brought my Salomons today. It's like being on an ice rink. With all the rain that we've had recently, the waterfalls are spectacular. There's lots more to see. Okay, let's go. Look. Yeah, I think it's a bit sketchy, especially for a dog anyway. I know once we get past this area here it's okay, but I just don't want to. There is an alternative route, but I'll have a look at this first. Well done. Glad to be out of that area. It's very, very slippy, especially for a dog anyway. And Saloman boots. Sorry, I keep going on about Saloman boots, but they're the slippiest soles I've ever had. Wow, I love this place. I'm beginning to love woods and forests lately. Like my last two videos were in a forest. I'm back in the forest again, even though the weather today forced me here, which I'm so happy it did. We'll keep going, we'll find a nice spot to burn up a cup of tea. Every time I'm out, I'm always looking for wild camping spots. I think wild camping beside this massive waterfall, you wouldn't get a wink of sleep. If you had earplugs on, you would. There's a lovely area over here though. Just across the river. I know there's a bridge above, so let's see. Maybe. two squirrels just came running down the path, and they both jumped onto different trees. They're gone up here somewhere. He's squirrely. All I say is this is a national park, so it's maintained for the public, but all of those boards are lethal. So you see on a lot of places, so if on any board you can put in the U-nails to help you get some grip, because yeah, someone's gonna break their neck on these things. So if there's anybody that knows anyone from the council that does this, yeah, you nail those up. Not you nail those up, but you nail those up. You know the U-nails, that's an N. It's getting really confusing. So the U-nails are like that. Well, upside down when they go in, they're like that. So I'm not doing an N, I'm doing a U-nail. U-nail. Ah, you know what I mean. Sheer power of that. Yeah, I think there's no better spot to cook up a brew. Just waiting for my brew now. Beautiful here. A waterfall is very, very cool. Remember I was in Australia and I was whitewater rafting, and I remember he took us underneath a waterfall, and I said, oh, it's going to be brilliant, I'll go under the waterfall. I was not expecting the power that came out of it. Like, literally folded me in half. My chest was between my legs and my chin and face was on the ground of the boat. So strong. Yeah, seeing that waterfall, it just reminded me of that. I have another bar and I gave her half of it and I left it behind me. Watch this now. Well, you licked it already, so you might as well have it. Come here. Okay, bye bye waterfall. Let's keep going. You always remember this from school. What did they call them? Is it the Sekuwa Tree? You know it by the red bark. It's the Sekuwa Tree. I remember when I was a kid in we went to Curry Chase and it was the teacher that was teaching us. Could have been total bullshit now, but I remembered it. Yeah. It might be Sekuwa Tree. I don't know what a Sekuwa Tree. I'm gonna Google that actually. Sekuwa Tree. Well, if it isn't, that's what I'm gonna be naming it from now on. You heard it here first. Now, ye lovely people. Not far from the car park now. What a beautiful area. If you can, make a trip to the Clare Glens. Not the hardest route in the world, but it's you're coming here for the scenery. It's a beautiful place for the family, or just, you know what, you could come here and just spend the day just chilling out by the river, by the waterfalls, and there's plenty of places to discover here. So yeah, what a day. So relaxing. Anyways, thanks for coming along with me to the Clare Glens. And sure, look, we'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks for joining me. Chat to you again. Bye.